So here I am at the Casa da Barragem. It's a property all made in stone, which is schist stone. It's joined with another building which doesn't belong, but it's semi-detached, and it has three stories. This is one of the entrance doors, and it's where it was connected the water service and the electricity also. The meter is inside, needs replacement. As you can see, all the walls are in good condition, and we are going to go inside. So this is the side and the main door, the main entrance. It has a small balcony on the second floor. Well, yeah, in the second, yes. So this is the... So we are going to try to go in. Oh, first key. Okay, so as you can see, the floor, especially the boards, some of them need replacement. So let me try to walk inside. So this is 45 square meter each floor. All the walls are very wide, they are stone walls. This is the ceiling of the first floor. It's in reasonable condition. Some boards maybe need some changing, like these ones, because of the water. But the beams look good. Walk further along. Not really warm. No, there's a little bit, but easily treated. This is a support beams, but of course fixing the down floor would be easier to fix this. So there is the electric meter, and this is the door outside also. And we are going to take a little look upstairs. There's no stairs at the moment, only this ladder. So it has many windows, six windows and a door. The door is to the balcony. This was the old kitchen area. There's still a pipe that would come from below. The roof, the beams are good. You can increase here. This is an old washing basin, and it had a tap and exit for the water. It's easy to connect also to the main sewage outside. It's on the wall. And we are going now to the basement. Going to take this key. This is a village that has lots of water. spring water actually for irrigation. Comes from the mountain. There's like a water system going through this village. This is drinking water actually, you see. It's not wide road, but you can actually, if it's not a big car, can pass on this road, and builders can come here and park on this area. Well, they are not supposed to park, but they can stop and drop the materials. You can see the mountain up there also. It's a beautiful area. And the dam is to the left side. We don't see from here, but we can see the views. Okay, so let's go to the storage room. There's a lock here. There's not much light here, but it still goes further to the back. There's a kind of a wall there, but then there's another room, but it's too dark actually to see anything. Now the door closed. Well, and that's it. The main beam down here, it's also in good condition. Very thick one. The beams down here, maybe this one needs replacing, but the rest don't seem very bad. I was walking upstairs as you saw. Yeah, but this one here, it's too dark. And here we are again outside. I will go to the dam to show how it looks. The area has tourism, so I'll be back soon. Okay, so here we are at the dam. This is a place where we can see all around. It's a beautiful area. Some adventure sports can be done here. There is the pool, swimming pool. You can fish, you can canoe. There's a little island in the middle there. And that's it, and I hope you like it. Down there on the other side there's a square, on the other side of the swimming pool. Up there we can see this White House. So there's a roundabout and there's a restaurant with traditional food. There's a fishing shop. There's a touristic shop also. Very nice area. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.